Trial of Kylr Yust included a long list of witnesses who described evidence collected after Jessica Runions disappeared and her vehicle was set on fire back in 2016.
Runions and Kopetsky's remains were eventually found by a mushroom hunter back in 2017. KCTV5's Emily RITTMAN is live outside the Cass County Justice Center to look at what jurors saw and heard today. Emily?
Brad, today jurors saw photos of Jessica Runions' burned vehicle. They also saw photos of Kylr Yust's injuries after her vehicle was found on fire. They then heard from a woman who was married to Yust's half-brother, JESSEP Carter, who says they were with him the day after Jessica Runions disappeared. JESSEP Carter's wife, Crystal Taylor, described what happened on September 9th, 2016, after they picked Yust up from his grandfather's house.
Kylr did ask for us to take the batteries out of our phones. And he also mentioned something like, well, I already threw mine out.
She says she also saw Yust bring something out of his grandfather's house and hide it near a neighbor's bushes. A former Kansas City police officer showed jurors a sweatshirt that was collected from the neighbor's bushes. A DNA analyst said she found both Jessica Runions' DNA and Yust's DNA from the inside cuffs of a sleeve of the sweatshirt, but could not determine when the DNA was deposited. Jurors saw photos of Runions' burned vehicle.
I determined it was incendiary in nature. It was a gasoline poured in and around and on the vehicle.
Then jurors saw photos of Yust's injuries that were taken after he was arrested in a mobile home in Benton County. JESSEP Carter had dropped Yust off to hide and then called police to report what he knew. A former Benton County deputy asked Yust how he got his injuries during his arrest.
He said he ran into a tree.
And how did he say that to you?
It was pretty smug and arrogant.
A former master detective told jurors that Yust's injuries were consistent with injuries from a gasoline flash fire. Yust's defense attorneys told jurors previously that he got those injuries while using a burn barrel. The former master detective did say that there was no way to determine if those injuries came from a burn barrel or from lighting the vehicle on fire with gasoline. Reporting live, Emily RITTMAN, KCTV5 News.
A lot of evidence presented today. Emily, thank you.